Hey everybody. Yeah, last time I did some work with or did some stuff with ChatGPT and did some other stuff to just try to kind of understand what's going on and how things work and all that. And I definitely feel like I'm starting to understand things better, feeling a lot more comfortable with this stuff. So this time I kind of wanted to. I had mentioned last time that I was going to want to do like a counter, and then I was thinking about it. It would be kind of nice to just update this to where like this is a table, and then you maybe get a count for every color that you've done and a total overall count. Um, basically, that seems like a really good way to go. So it looks like if I look on line 26 here, we have some HTML that does that updates this whole thing. And it updates it. So it looks like it's basically line 26 through 32. So I think we're probably going to want to make a function. So something like update table or yeah, set table, set set table, HTML. And we'll just make this a fat arrow so we don't have to deal with context issues. And then move this code into here and then just call it set table HTML. And that should work. Everything should just be the same. Yeah. Okay, so that's cool. So now let's go ahead and put this inside of a table. And we don't need this. And we don't need this plus. We definitely don't need the double zero I just added. And then this guy should probably be like a surrounded with a TR. And then this thing should probably be a TD. The span, convert that from a span to a TD. TD. If I remember correctly, there's some interesting HTML or CSS stuff going on. So let's see what we get here. Yeah. So I think that looks good. Um, then it would be nice if these were backticks instead, so that we can use multiple lines. See if that is an issue. I don't think it's going to be an issue. Nope. Backtick. That's weird. I don't know why that would be that way. All right, so let's go ahead and add another TD. And then this is going to be where our counts go. And then let's go ahead and up here, let's go ahead and add some headings. And this is the color. And then this is where we're going to put the count. And we need to close that up. Let's see. Okay, so that's nice. And now, I think what we're going to need is well, let's get a total. Let's do a total first. So let's just go ahead and add that. Let's see. Color HTML. I like this plus equals. And then I don't understand why backticks don't work. I'm going to try it one more time. I'm gonna move total, and total would typically be at the bottom, but have it at the top because it's hard to see. And this is going to be our count. And it's going to start off at 0. And we'll close the TR. Okay, so that it works there. And this is nice because then in here we can do we can get calculations. So let's go ahead and create a total var. So let total equal 0, and then in here, I believe we just say dollar total. We do that? Did it update? I think it updated. Yeah. So that's cool. So now I think what I'm going to do is every time they click it, I'm just going to assume that it worked for now. We'll go ahead and say total equals total plus 1. And we'll go ahead and redraw set table. HTML. Oh, yes. Yes, blue. Yes, blue. Blue. And as you can see, the count is incrementing. So that's good. That's exactly what we would hope for. Now, what we need, I think, is a dictionary, right? That is basically a list of everything. It's a list of all of these items, so that okay, so that we would be able to let's see, we will be able to update them appropriately. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this like this and move this onto 2 lines. I'm still very, very confused on why that doesn't work. Test. So anyways, what we're going to do now is create, okay, so I still have 2 minutes, so I'm going to say let dict equals, and just make that a regular variable, and then I'm going to do basically a colors for loop just like this, but instead I'm going to update my dictionary. So I'm just going to say, because V I believe is the color, so dict V equals, and then 0. So we'll set them all to 0 to start. And then I think we should be able to, let's see, can we turn this to backticks? Yeah, it's fine with that. And so I think, oh, I need to move that TR down here. No, I don't. So now this can actually be on a different line. Maybe there's no need for it. But so then I believe what we can do is say dollar and then dict V. Will that work? Yes. All right. So I'm almost out of time, but next time what I'm going to do is whenever there's a match, I'm going to increment the value up there. And then maybe if I have time, also add an other at the end, or maybe an other at the top so we can see it. So if something comes in that it doesn't recognize, so if they say aqua, aqua would upgrade, but if they say like Dodger Blue, then Dodger Blue updates. I mean, then other updates. But I think that was pretty good. Happy coding, everybody. Bye.